नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, परत एकदा आपलं स्वागत आहे करिअर कट्टा पुणे या आपल्या युट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आजच्या या एपिसोड मध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत की आता जी एंड सेमिस्टरची एक्झामिनेशन येणार आहे, या सेमिस्टरच्या एक्झामसाठी कशा प्रकारे प्रिपरेशन केलं पाहिजे, कुठले क्वेश्चन्स अगोदर केले पाहिजे. कारण एक्झामच्या मुळे मुलांना प्रश्न पडतो की नेमकं कुठला पॉईंट केलं पाहिजे, कुठलं चॅप्टर केलं पाहिजे, आणि या क्वेश्चन मधून मग हे करू की ते करू याच्यामध्ये बराचसा वेळ जातो. त्यासाठी आपण सिम्प्लिफिकेशन घेऊन आलो आहोत. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काही प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन्स मिळतील. या प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन मधनं एंड सेमिस्टर एक्झाम मध्ये नक्कीच काही क्वेश्चन येतील, परंतु किती येतील हे येणारी एक्झामच सांगेल. तर पहिला प्रश्न जो आपण महत्वाचा आहे याच्यामध्ये डिस्कस करणार आहोत. जस्ट 1 मिनिट. पहिला प्रश्न आहे तुमच्या स्क्रीन समोर तुम्हाला दिसतोय की व्हॉट इज मॅटर वेव्ह, एक्सप्लेन इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज. तर तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी मॅटर वेव्हची डेफिनेशन द्यायची, त्याला 1 मार्क असेल. आणि एक्सप्लेन इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज, म्हणजे जे काही प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत त्या प्रॉपर्टी एक्सप्लेन करण्याला किमान तुम्ही 6 प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला इथं लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे. तुम्हाला उत्तर हे अगदी सुटसुटीत लिहायचं आहे. प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन हा नवीन पेज वरती स्टार्ट करायचा. त्याचा एक वेगळा इम्पॅक्ट तुम्हाला एक्झामिनर वरती दिसायला भेटून, आणि त्याचं नक्कीच तुम्हाला मार्कांमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन देखील होईल. तुम्ही जेवढं सुटसुटीत लिहाल तेवढं तुम्हाला एक्झामिनरला सोपं होईल, आणि तो तुम्हाला सोपं करेल आणि सहजपणे मार्क देऊन जाईल. यानंतरचा पुढचा प्रश्न आहे, व्हॉट इज सोलार सेल, एक्सप्लेन इट्स वर्किंग, मेन्शन इट्स मेरिट्स अँड डिमेरिट्स. तर यामध्ये तुम्हाला सोलार सेल काय आहे थोडक्यात सांगायचं. जसं की सोलार सेल इज नथिंग बट अ फोटोवोल्टॅइक सेल, राईट. तर फोटोवोल्टॅइक सेल आणि याचं कन्व्हर्जन काय, एसी solar energy into electrical energy, but in the format of DC, right? And that DC is stored in battery or some removable secondary storage device. हे तुम्हाला डेफिनेशन त्याची सांगायची. म्हणजे तुम्हाला डेफिनेशन्स त्याची सांगायची आणि वर्किंग मेन्शन करायची की सोलार रेज सोलार पॅनल वरती पडल्यापासून ते इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेअर जनरेशन होणं, त्याचं करंट मध्ये रूपांतर होणं, या सगळ्या प्रोसेसला तुम्हाला टेक्निकल भाषेत लिहायचं आहे. आणि याचे मेरिट्स आणि डिमेरिट्स तुम्हाला सांगायचे. जसं की मेरिट्स म्हणजे तुम्हाला सहजपणे उपलब्ध होणारा सोर्स आहे आणि वन टाइम कॉस्ट आहे. त्यानंतर तुम्हाला याची फारशी काही मेंटेनन्स कॉस्ट नाहीये. डिमेरिट्स काय, तर सन इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाईट, आणि जर सनच नसेल तर तुम्हाला सोलार एनर्जी टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कन्व्हर्जन करता येणार नाहीये. त्यामुळे हे एक डेमेरिट्स असेल. असे काही डेमेरिट्स जे आहेत ते तुम्हाला तिथं मेन्शन करावे लागतील. त्यानंतरचा पुढचा प्रश्न आहे, व्हॉट आर द डिफरंट अझम्पन्स ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन थेअरी, वाय इट इज फेल. तुम्हाला अझम्पन्स लिहावे लागतील 1 2 3 4 5 6, आणि त्यानंतर त्याचा ड्रॉबॅक्स किंवा वाय इट इज फेल तुम्हाला तिथे मेन्शन करावं लागेल. यानंतरचा पुढचा प्रश्न आहे, just 1 second. State and explain Hall effect. This is a very important question. Now you have to write the statement of the Hall effect, draw a diagram, then its working, and necessary equations as well. तर तुम्हाला डायग्राम पण काढायची आहे, त्याच्यातले लेबलिंग करायची आहे सगळं व्यवस्थित, आणि त्यानंतर त्याची वर्किंग सांगायची आणि इक्वेशन सांगायचे. Distinguish between NDT and DT. NDT means non-destructive testing and destructive testing. तर याच्यातले मिनिमम 6 डिफरन्सेस एक्सपेक्टेड आहेत. 6 डिफरन्स तुम्हाला लिहायचे, अगदी स्पेशियस लिहायचे. 1 डिफरन्स, 1 लाईन, then 1 line blank, start from the second line, like that. Very spacious. You have to write very spacious. It will make a positive impact towards the examiner. Next question is explain radiography technique with the advantage and disadvantage. How the radiography technique is carried out? What are the advantage and disadvantage? You have to mention. Next question is what is nanoparticle? Explain the properties. It's a very basic question, and many times it is asked in the examination. What is nanoparticles? Basically, to answer this question, you have to write two-line definitions of nanoparticle and its size. You have to mention the electrical, mechanical properties of the nanomaterials. Also, if it is possible to correlate that property into application, you can do that. Next question. What are the different applications of nanoparticles? So there is a huge scope to write the answers of this question. You are supposed to write 1.5 page for this question. So defense sector, how it is utilized in defense sector, agriculture sector, how it is useful in agriculture, so like pesticides, fertilizer, and what are the advantage by using this nanomaterial fertilizers on a land or something can say agricultural thing. So there are so many things. Even if clothing, nanotechnology can be used in a clothing. Why we should use the clothing? What are the advantage, disadvantage that we have to mention? So explanation is very important. Many times students what they do just write the name fertilizer. It is not expected, and you will not get a full marks for that answer. What is expected? Full length explanation. At least 1.5 page you have to write for the 8 applications. If it is asked for 8 marks, definitely if you write this much length of the answer, you will get the full marks. There is no chance to reduce the marks. Next question. What are the different applications of nanoparticle that already we have mentioned? Next. Question number 9. What is superconductivity? Explain different types. You have to write the definition of superconductor. Then type 1 and type 2. There are the 2 types of the superconductor. Both the types you have to write here. Also, you have to draw a diagram of the type 1 and type 2. Next question, which is also a very, very important question. Keep in mind, there are 3 questions out of which 2 questions definitely will appear in the examination. One is tunnel diode, second one is solar cell, and third one is time dependent and time independent equation. Out of these 3 questions, there will be 2 questions in the examination. So there is a huge possibility that these questions will appear in the examination. Not only for the examination, these are the outcome of this learning. Why we are learning all these things, not for the examination. To utilize this technology in our day-to-day life for the human beings to solve the problems. That is the purpose of learning anything, any subject in your journey of 4 years of B. So this is the outcome of the physics. If you learn the tunnel diode and you can utilize this tunnel diode in the applications, that will be the purpose. What is the purpose actually? Next question. Very important question again. State and explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. You have to write the statement of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, and also you have to explain mathematical equation as well. Next question. As I discussed earlier, these 3-4 questions are very, very important. Out of that, this is also a very important question. Derive an explanation for Schrodinger's time-independent wave equation. Many times students, what they do is just write the mathematical equations, but they don't write what they have did in this particular stage. So you have to mention what you have did, a simplification in the mathematical process. Okay, dot, 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 we have done this. We have divided by something. We have reduced this, like that. Okay, so you have to write the explanation, each and every state. Then and then only you can get a full marks. Next question. Yes, this is advertisement as a YouTuber. Every YouTuber will promote this channel. So this is our purpose behind this channel and what you will get out of this channel. If you are interested in these things, you can purchase. Right? So next question. Explain the ultrasonic inspection method in detail. Tell about the thickness measurement using ultrasonic. तो अल्ट्रासोनिक इंस्पेक्शन मेथड क्या है ये आपको बताना है उसके बाद हाउ इट इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू मेजर a thickness with the help of some example you have to write. Next question. What are the different magnetic materials? Distinguish them. And student may get confused. What is this question? What is the answer of this question? Actually, what are the magnetic materials? Diamagnetic, paramagnetic, and ferromagnetic material. These are nothing but the magnetic materials. So you have to distinguish between these three materials. First of all, you have to write the definition of diamagnetic, paramagnetic, and ferromagnetic. Then you should make a three vertical columns and write a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 differences. At least 6 differences are expected to write. This is again a very important question. What is the Fermi level in conductor and semiconductors? State the Fermi energy as well. Next question. We will move to the next question. Actually, the questions are finished. If you have completed these 17 questions first, then you can go for the another book or another notes. But first, you have to complete these 17 questions, and then you have to go for the next notes or any book, any question paper from the university side, or any question material given by other question banks like that. But these 17 are on the priority basis. If you have not completed these 17 questions, there is no use of your study. These 17 questions are the outcome of the syllabus. And definitely, who will be the setter of the question paper? They have to ask some questions out of these 17 questions. So that is our motto or purpose, so that there will be a simplification in the study. So best of luck. I hope you will get a good result and you will study these 17 questions first. And also, along with these 17 questions, you will go for some more content and more questions as well. Right. Thank you so much.